to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Get the apple with apple checky.
Make sure it's not our barbecue.
Why?
Just start charity food. Just start charity food after. $30 drop on. No chicken, the chicken jump and run down.
We finally reached Tropical Escape Villa and this is how the outside looks. And we had to enter a secret pin to get into the house so that Malik put in the pin. We entered the house finally and it was beautiful. The scent in here is chef kisses. It's giving grown up, it's giving adultish. So I had to take some small clips of the living area and kitchen area before it was the morning because I know that in the morning, you know, a mess. So that there was a little hanging that says happy birthday because it was almost my friend's birthday. Yes, it was empty. Oh yeah, they had little water bottles. The water for us. Then he had a liquor and our KFC. The lighting, nice plates, same. It was spotless, clean. Cupboards. I don't know what I was looking for. I just show you guys how that looks. This is the dining table where some person rest their food on because we were about to eat, as I said. This is the first room. In here was spacious. There's one bed in this room with a closet, dresser. Yeah, that's me taking a pic. That's the bed, comfy, clean sheets. This is the half bathroom. I didn't get a lot much of here. I was just there looking in the mirror. It's a sink. This is the room that I was in. There are two beds. There were two beds in this room, a closet. We had access to a Netflix account. Oh, this is our bathroom that we shared. Had towels, that's the toilet, that's the counter. This is the bath. It was slide door. Then it had there was the rug thing to prevent you from slipping. The bathroom, but I didn't use that bathroom. So this is the next room, the king's room. Had a little dresser in there that says love on it. A big closet, a chair. Yes, and there were petals on the bed, and that wall hanging was very, very beautiful. The lamps, and these were the lights. Basically, oh, this bathroom is everything. It says naked as you enter. Right, so this is the wall design. Me had to take a pic. That's the counter, 2 sinks, it had a bathtub, and we had glass doors for the bath. I just loved in here. It was everything. Yeah. On the counter, I had little shampoos and hand soaps. Yeah. Our washroom area, we had a washer, dryer, a little pan, a sink, and an iron board. That's me. That's it. So here I was using the presents, Netflix, and trying to find a movie to watch. Oh yeah, I watched Never Have I Ever. It's Miles' birthday, so we placed some balloons in the room along with the 28th balloon, and that's him sleeping right here. So wake up, bro, it's your birthday. We had a chef over to prepare us breakfast and dinner. So this is breakfast, and that's his area. His seasonings finely chopped for the omelet. So he was asking us what we needed in our omelet.
No, just write down what people, yeah, just to be sure, you know, so we can.
Then we had fried plum and pancakes right there.
No, yeah. All right, this one is so I itemized them so because of how they said they need it. So this one is the one that no garlic, no onion.
That's for the wife. Are you that? Okay.
All right. So these 3 are the one with no tomatoes. Those 3 are the okay.
So today we will be traveling to River Rapids. Right, that's in the parish of
St. Anne.
Right, that's
Trelawney.
That's Latte over there. Have food in the front and the driver. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you along with me and enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So we finally reached River Rapids, Jamaica. This place is awesome. So first we had to sign the thing, you know, the thingy thing we signed for the life and death situation. Yeah, so we were going, we were tubing, and these are the tubes, the view, and so forth. So first we had to walk a long way to reach the top of the river. We took some pictures, and yeah, that's all.
Ready? Ready, Malik?
It was at this moment that he knew.
already.
Bad bitch love crack, but that's that.
Alright guys, we have one last big rapid.
We're going nice rapid.
This is where the last.
Alright, hold on.
Dwayne is the name of the lifeguard that we had for this journey, and yeah, he was fun and jovial. We enjoyed our tubing journey with him. After the tubing, we went on a boat, and this was scary, like so scary. We were far from shore, far. Apple holding on for her dear life. We had to paddle our way to shore. It's the first I've been so far from shore. I don't know how I wasn't scared. Then we took back, and we're going back to the vehicle so we could journey back up to the house. This is the view. So here I'm walking the community of St. Anne, and I'm going to tropical.
Motion of the reef. Yeah. So everybody just do like this with me. Yeah. Right? Do like this. Yeah. And then.
You have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.